Welcome, and follow me as a Navitel T787, and today I'll show you how you can put this tablet into safe mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button, and from there select, or not select, but hold power off. This will then bring up reboot to safe mode, so we're going to confirm by tapping on OK, and this will reboot the device. And as you can see, now that the device is back on, we are in safe mode, assuming it will flip. Oh, there we go. So we have the safe mode marking right here, and in this mode, only the pre-existing applications, the one that come with the device, will function. Anything that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, so you can troubleshoot your device. So, with this being said, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to normal one, hold your power button and select restart. Once the device boots back up, it will go back to normal mode. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.